Welcome to another lesson from Ariana Grande's new album Positions. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 34 plus 35. So as always, if the video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So this entire song is made of a single riff. So to start, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 5th fret of the high E string, your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string, your ring finger on the 7th fret of the G string, and your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the D string, and you're going to pluck the high E string, B string, G string, then D string. Next, you're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string and pluck the high E string. Then you're going to lift your ring finger and place your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the high E string. Then 2nd fret B string. Then 3rd fret G string. Then 3rd fret high E string again. Then open high E string. 1st fret B string. 2nd fret G string. Then 2nd fret high E string. 4th fret B string. 5th fret G string. 2nd fret G string. Then you're going to lay your pointer finger over and pluck the 2nd fret of the high E string again. Then you're going to do the first part again. Except once you get to this part, you're going to lift your middle finger and pluck the open G string. Then 3rd fret D string, open D string, 3rd fret D string again. Then 2nd fret high E string, 4th fret B string, 5th fret G string, 2nd fret G string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for 34 plus 35. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Thanks.